morning, children. How are you? How is your day? Are you happy? Yes, let's start. I am Betty Benny. Today I am going to teach you general science. How many chapters you learned? You have already learned 2 lessons, right? Today we are going to discuss about the 4th chapter, parts of a plant and the functions. What is the name of the chapter? Parts of a plant and the functions. We know that there are different types of plants around us, right? Some plants are very big and small plants are there, and some plants grow on land and some plants grow in water. What about the leaves of the plants? Some plants have big leaves or long leaves, and some plants have short leaves. See the picture. What about these plants? These are very big plants. Which tree is this? It's a coconut tree, it's a banyan tree, and this is a gulmohar tree. Have you ever seen this? Yes, where? In our campus, in our school campus, there is a gulmohar tree. These are very big plants. Look at these pictures. These are small plants. These are very small plants. These are the plants that grow on land. Okay? Plants that grow on land. See these pictures. These are the plants that grow in water. Plants that grow in water. Next, we are going to discuss about the common characteristics of plants. Common characteristics of plants. Characteristics means features. What are the common features of plants? First one, green plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. It's a new term for you. What is that term? Photosynthesis. What is the first common feature? Green plants can prepare their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Only green plants can prepare their own food. What about animals? Animals cannot make their own food. We know that. They depend on other plants and animals for their food. So, the first character, green plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. See the picture. What is the term? Photosynthesis. What is the spelling? PHOTOSYNTHESIS. What's the spelling? PHOTOSYNTHESIS. Then what is photosynthesis? Green plants can prepare their own food by a process that is called photosynthesis. What is that process? That process you will learn in higher classes. The process is plant absorb water from the soil, and with the help of carbon dioxide that is present in the atmosphere, they prepare food. Okay, that is photosynthesis. You will learn in detail in the next class. Okay. Next feature. Plants cannot move from one place to another. You know that. Plants cannot move from one place to another. What about animals? We know that animals can move from one place to another. Plants cannot move from one place to another. See the picture. Plants cannot move. Plants cannot move. They are fixed to the soil, right? Next, third characteristic, plants possess the same parts. Plants possess the same parts. What is the meaning of that sentence? Most of the plants have the same parts. Okay? So we learned 3 common characteristics of plants. Which are they? First one, green plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. And second point, they cannot move from one place to another. And the last one, plant possess the same parts. What is the meaning of that sentence? Plant possess the same parts. Almost all the plants have the same parts. See this picture? It's a small plant and a big tree is there. The small plant has roots. The tree also has roots. It has stem. Here also stem is present. This plant has leaves. Here also leaves are present. Flowers are here. Here also flowers are present. Fruit is here. Here also fruits are present. This is the meaning of that sentence. Plant possess same parts. Clear? Next is about the 5 basic parts of a plant. You know the parts, right? Which are the 5 basic plant parts? Root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. These are the 5 basic parts of a plant. Which are they? Root, stem, fruit, a leaf and flower. 5 basic parts of a plant. Next is about the root system and shoot system. Usually a plant has 2 systems, root system and shoot system. What is the root system? You know that the part of the plant that grow below the soil, or below the ground is known as the root system. Okay? What is the root system? The part of the plant that grow below the soil is known as the root system. And shoot system, the part of the plant that grow above the soil, that is known as the shoot system. Is it clear? Then what is root system? The part of the plant that grow below the soil or underground is known as the root system. The root system consists of roots. Then what is the shoot system? The part of the plant that grow above the soil is known as the shoot system. The shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Got it? Next is about the 2 types of root. There are 2 types of root system. Taproot system and fibrous root system. What is the 2 types of root? Taproot. See the spelling? T-A-P-R-O-O-T. Taproot. And fibrous root? F-I-B-R-O-U-S. So which are the 2 types of roots? Taproot and fibrous root. See the picture? You can see some differences, right? First of all, we are going to study about taproot system. See the picture here. What is the first point? Taproot has only one main root. What is that point? It has only one main root. See the picture? You can see a main root here. Right? This is the main root of the plant. Okay, taproot has only one main root. And see the picture? From the main root, many smaller roots arise. Is it clear? From the main root, many small roots arise. Is it clear? That is the second point. And third one, they are very long. The taproot system is very long and they grow deep into the soil. They are very long and grow deep into the soil. These are the points about the taproot system. Got it? Once again, what's the taproot system? The taproot has only one main root. It has only one main root and many smaller roots grow from the main root. Taproot has only one main root and many smaller roots grow from the main root and they are very long. Taproot system is very long and they grow deep into the soil. Examples: neem tree, mango tree, etc. Most of the trees have this taproot system. Is it clear? Next is about the fibrous root system. Okay, what is that? Fibrous root system. See the picture, you can see the difference. What is that? A fibrous root consists of number of smaller roots. See the picture? Number of smaller roots arise from the base of the stem. That is the fibrous root system. What is that? A fibrous root consists of number of tiny roots. Tiny root means small roots. Number of small roots arise from where? Arise from the base of the stem. That is the first point. Second point, they do not grow deep into the soil. They do not grow deep into the soil. What about the taproot system? They are very long and grow deep into the soil. But the fibrous root system, they do not grow deep into the soil. Is it clear about taproot and fibrous root? Once again, taproot system has only one main root and many smaller branches arise from the main root and they are very long and grow deep into the soil. What about the fibrous root system? The fibrous roots consists of number of tiny roots, number of small roots arise from the base of the stem. They do not grow deep into the soil. Examples, the root system of onion, rice. They have fibrous root system. Clear? Next is about the functions of root system. You know the functions, right? What is the first function? Root fix the plant in the soil. The root system fix the plant firmly in the soil. That is the first function. The root system fix the plant firmly in the soil. And second function, it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The root system absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Where do we pour water? In the soil, right? From the soil, the roots of the plant absorb water and minerals. For what? I told you, for the preparation of food. Clear? So, root absorb water and minerals from the soil. That's the second point. Next point, some plants store excess food in their roots. The root system of some plants store extra food prepared by the leaves. Clear? These are the three functions. What are the functions? First one, root fix the plant firmly in the soil. And the second point, it roots absorb, it takes in water and minerals from the soil. And the third function, the root system of some plant store excess food in their roots. Examples of plants that store excess food in their roots. Which are they? What is this? This is carrot, right? What is this? Beetroot. What is this? Radish. Do you like these vegetables? Good. What are these? Actually, these are the roots of these plants. The roots of this carrot plant store the extra food in their roots, right? The roots of this beetroot plant store excess food in the roots. These are the examples of roots that store extra food. Is it clear about the root system? Which are the two types of root? Which are two types of root system? Taproot system and fibrous root system. What are the functions? It fixes the plant firmly in the soil and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and some plants store excess food in their roots. Examples: carrot, beetroot and radish. Got it? Next is about the shoot system. You learned that a plant has how many systems? Two systems. Which are they? Root system and shoot system. You learned about the root system. Next, about the shoot system. What is the shoot system? The part of the plant that grow above the soil, that is known as the shoot system. The shoot system consists of stem, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, seeds, etc. And what is the shoot system? The part of the plant that grow above the soil is known as the shoot system, and the shoot system bears stem, leaves, buds, etc. Clear? Next is about the types of stem. You learned that shoot system consists of stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, seeds, etc. Okay, so we are going to study about the stem, the different types of stem. Which are the different types of stem? See the picture here. Which tree is this? This is a mango tree. Do you like mangoes? Yes. See the picture. What about the stem of this mango tree? What about the stem of this mango tree? The stem of mango tree is very hard. Right? Yes. It is very hard and thick. It is very hard, thick and woody. What is the word? Woody. It's very hard, thick and woody. Such type of stem is called trunk. What is that word? Trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Then what is a trunk? The thick, hard, woody stem of a tree is called a trunk. That's a type of stem. Okay. Then what is a trunk? The thick, hard, woody stem of a tree, that is known as the trunk. Is it clear? See the picture. What is this? This is a rose plant. This is a rose plant. What about the stem of the rose plant? Do you know? Is it very hard? Is it woody? No. It is thick. Right? Thick and soft stem. Then a rose plant. What is that? Is it a tree or a shrub? It is a shrub. A rose plant is a shrub. Small bushy plants are called shrubs. We learned in 2nd standard. Right? Small bushy plants are called shrubs. The shrubs have thick and soft green stems. What about trees? Trees are very hard, thick and woody stem, that is called trunk. Here shrubs have thick and soft stem. See the picture. What is this? Can you identify this? This is a mint plant. Mint plant. Do you like the taste of mint? What is the use of mint? We use mint to flavor our food, right? Yes. What about this? This is a herb. Small plants. Herbs are very small plants. What about the stem of that small plants? They have thin and soft green stems. Herbs have thin and soft green stems. Is it clear? What about tree? Trees have thick, hard and woody stems, and shrubs have thick and soft stems, and herbs have thin and soft stems. These are the different types of stems. And climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers have very thin and weak stems. What are climbers and what are creepers? See the picture here. What is this? This is a pumpkin plant. This is a creeper. What is a creeper? Creeper, its stem is very weak and thin. So they creep along the ground. Its stem is very thin and weak. Which plant is this? This is a money plant. We know that money plant need a support to grow. Why? Because its stem is very thin and weak. So climbers and creepers have very thin and weak stems. Is it clear? What about trees? Trees have hard, woody, thick stems. Shrubs have thick and soft stems. Then herbs have thin and soft stems. And climbers and creepers have very thin and weak stems. Got it? Next is about the functions of stem. We learned the functions of root, right? Next is the function of stem. What are the functions? First one, the stem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. What is that? Stem carries water and minerals from where? From the roots to the leaves. You learned that the roots of the plant absorb water and mineral from the soil, right? Root absorb water and minerals from the soil, and from the roots the stem carries that water and minerals to where? To the leaves. For what? For preparing food. You learned that leaves of the plant prepare food, right? So, you know that root absorb water and minerals from the soil, and from the roots, the stem carries that water and minerals to the leaves. For what? For preparing food. Second point, the stem makes the plant stand upright. The stem makes the plant stand straight. That is the meaning. Okay? The stem makes the plant stand straight. Clear? And third point, the stem of some plants store extra food. The stem of some plants store extra food. You learned that roots of some plants store extra food, right? Like that, in some plants, the stem of some plants store extra food. These are the three functions of the stem. Is it clear? Once again, the stem carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. Okay. So second point, the stem makes the plant stand upright. What is the meaning? The stem makes the plant stand straight. And third point, the stem of some plants store extra food. The stem of some plants store extra food prepared by the leaves. Clear? See the pictures. Can you identify? What is this? Can you see? Potato. What is this? Ginger. And what is this? Sugar cane. Do you like this sugar cane? Okay. These are some stems that store extra food. See the first two pictures, potato and ginger. These are not the roots of the plant. Clear? These are not the roots of the plant. These are the stems of the plant. Potato and ginger. These are the stems of the plant. This is known as underground stem that you will learn in higher classes about that. Okay. Actually, these are not the roots. Potato and ginger, these are not the roots of the plant. They are the stem of the plant. The stem of this potato plant, that is known as underground stem, that store the excess food. And ginger, the underground stem of the ginger plant store excess food. And this is the stem, it's a sugar cane. Is it clear for you? Next is some exercise for you. Fill in the blanks. Are you ready to do that? Yes. Read the first question. The long main root that grow downwards from the end of the stem are called, what is the answer? Those who know the answer, just raise your hands. What is the answer? The long main root that grow downwards from the end of the stem are called fibrous root. No, that is tap root. What is the answer? Tap root. Second question. The part of the plant, read the question carefully. The part of the plant that grow above the soil is called. The part of the plant that grow above the soil. What is that part? That is the shoot system. Right? Next question. Green plants make their own food by, what is the process? Green plants make their own food by a process called, what is that? Yes, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Last question. The dash bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The dash system bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. Which system? That is the shoot system. The shoot system, or you can write as stem. Stem bears branches, leaves, flowers or fruits, or shoot system. Is it clear? Next is an assignment for you. What is the assignment? Read the first question. Draw the following. I know that we like to draw something, right? So, the first question, draw a well-labeled diagram of a plant. A well-labeled diagram of a plant. That means you draw the picture of a plant in your notebook and label its parts. Then what is the second assignment? Draw taproot system and fibrous root system. These are the two assignments for you. Which are they? Draw a well-labeled diagram of a plant. The second question, taproot system and fibrous root system. Okay. Once again, which are the common characteristics of plants? Green plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis, and plants cannot move from one place to another. And the last one, plant possesses the same parts. And also we learn about the type of root system. Which are the two types of root system? Taproot system and fibrous root system. And you know the differences also, right? What is the taproot system? Taproot system has only one main root and many smaller branches grow from the main root, and they are very long and grow deep into the soil. And fibrous root, a number of tiny roots arise from the base of the stem, and they do not grow deep into the soil. These are the main points we learned today, and do the exercises, do the assignment in your notebook. It will be valued when you come to school. And thank you. This is my phone number. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Okay, children?